everyone, welcome to 4sidestv with me Anjali. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, YouTube has emerged as a dominant platform for sharing and consuming video content. However, concerns have been raised regarding the extent to which YouTube operates under the influence of various government bodies. Let's delve into the perplexing relationship between YouTube and government regulations, shedding light on the challenges faced by the platform. Here's a special story from 4sidestv. On October 18th, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi spearheaded a rally in Telangana where they subsequently addressed the assembled masses. As responsible leaders of the opposition, they raised several significant issues that are typically brought to light by an opposition party. These issues included economic inequality, farmer suicides, unemployment, inflation, corruption, and the alleged exploitation of the people by both the KCR government and the central government. The event was live streamed on YouTube by the Indian National Congress, but the platform displayed a trigger warning advising viewer discretion due to potential content related to self-harm and suicide. This move by YouTube has fueled concerns expressed by foreign newspapers, which argue that the platform operates according to the government's whims and desires. However, upon closer examination, it was discovered that YouTube cited specific community guidelines violation for the warning. The imposition of such a warning by YouTube raises questions about their intentions and appears to meddle in India's ongoing free elections. This is reminiscent of past instances where the Enforcement Directorate, that is ED, Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI, Income Tax, that is IT, and certain media outlets demonstrated a similar bias towards the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, YouTube seems to be aligning itself with that group, which is unacceptable. We will not allow YouTube to intimidate us, nor we will succumb to fear from Facebook or be terrorized by Twitter. YouTube's treatment of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi's video lacks justification and represents an unwarranted interference by a foreign power in our country's democratic process. This sentiment was expressed by a few spokespersons and politicians from the Congress party. YouTube's compliance with government regulations reveals the complex nature of operating a global platform. The platform often finds itself caught between the demands of governments and the expectations of its users. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, YouTube must navigate this intricate web of regulations while simultaneously safeguarding freedom of expression and the privacy of its users. The future path for YouTube lies in striking a delicate balance that ensures compliance without compromising its core principles. Thank you for watching 4sidestv with me, Anjali.